Hi. Welcome with David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you. I have many lectures for next generation. I have one great verse. Before words, I inform and show you. समझ सको तो समझो है दिल बर जानी. When I come near Apollo 11, after that I recite this verse. समझ सको तो समझो है दिल बर जानी. रअयतु जाफरन फी जाफरिन على جعفر يأكل جعفرا. Have a 4 Jafar name and رأيت جعفرا one name, في جعفر second name, على جعفر third name, يأكل جعفرا. This 4 Jafar name is meaning are different. Like that, when you understand this one word, after that you become better understand. I have many lyrics for my song. That's why before my song lyrics, I inform you this one word, many meaning, like Suraj. सूरज से जीम हटाकर, must understand. सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम हो जाएगा शैतान. That's why I am starting Ra'aytu Jafaran. Must understand this verse. सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम हो जाएगा शैतान. सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम. Must understand. Rajim. What is the regime? सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम हो जाएगा शैतान. गर होगा वो बिल्टन हतीम हो जाएगा शैतान. What is the hatim? What is the hatim? गर होगा वो बिल्टन हतीम हो जाएगा शैतान. What meaning of shaitan? Many meanings of shaitan. Iblis is different, shaitan is different. When you understand this my vocal and my lyrics, after that you better understand this word. Must careful wrong things. Welcome with David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you. Da 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 da. सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम हो जाएगा शैतान. सूरज से जीम हटाकर रजीम हो जाएगा शैतान. गर होगा वो बिल्टन हतीम हो जाएगा शैतान. What is the meaning Hatim? Hatim in Kaaba, in Makkah. In Kaaba place we can call Hatim. I have many remembrance when I visit in Hatim with my life, and I visit Hajar Aswad also with my life. Be with us. Welcome with my Zindagi. Welcome. Be with us. David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you.